Hey Morrissey, thanks. Yeah, we are here right by UPMC in Harrisburg, and right behind me you can see how they are really focusing on downtown Harrisburg and getting a lot of the snow out of here. Behind me, this dump truck right here is getting filled up with snow. An excavator right in front of us at this moment is going to be pulling up, taking that entire bit of snow right there, dumping it into that truck. And this truck is going to be soon heading over to City Island, where it is going to be dumping that snow that it is going to be hauling away. Now, Harrisburg Public Works says right now they've been kind of focused on the downtown area, pushing large chunks of snow, covering roads into piles so that the snow can be taken to City Island, essentially just moving the snow somewhere else. But elsewhere in a lot of the neighborhood areas where you have some dense residential sections of the city like Midtown, a lot of people are frustrated over what they say is a lack of progress on some of those neighborhood and side streets. Some people say it's becoming an issue, especially as they return to work this week.
No, that's why it's like if I had to go in this morning or anything, I wouldn't have been able to make it. So just yeah.
The city of Harrisburg says parking will not be ticketed until 8 a.m. on Thursday as the cleanup continues. That is, unless you are illegally parked somewhere. Public Works says the biggest reason why it's taking so long is that they have to clear snow in some places, and it's becoming a lot harder to do so with these frigid temperatures that have essentially made the snow that is on the ground very hard to move at times. Coming up at 5 o'clock, you're going to hear from the Deputy Director of Public Works. But for now, here in downtown Harrisburg, Tom Lehman, News 8.